College dorm life isn't as glamorous as movies make it seem. Most of us are broke, living off our men, and trying to stretch every dollar. It's a constant hustle between wanting fun and having no cash. The struggle, very, very real. Every student craves freedom, late night hangouts, grabbing pizza with friends, or even just buying a coffee without guilt. But reality hits when you realize your bank balance is barely breathing. That freedom doesn't come cheap, and it's always a tough trade-off. You want to live fully, but your wallet says, not today. It's those little choices that sting. You spend money on laundry or on a night out. Do you buy groceries or splurge on fast food? Each decision feels like a mini battle with your budget, and honestly, it's exhausting. Most of us never got real budgeting lessons before college. Suddenly, you're in charge of money with no guidebook, and it feels overwhelming. That's why so many students crash and burn financially in their first year. It's not because we're bad with money, it's because no one taught us how to handle it. Ever felt like your bank account is on life support 2 weeks into the semester? I'm Sam, your host and voice of reason. Welcome to Sam the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's figure this out together. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Here's what you can expect. Practical, no fluff strategies to manage money while still enjoying dorm life. In this video, budgeting like a bro, dorm room edition. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's figure this out together. Welcome to Budgeting Like a Bro, dorm room edition. Think of your budget like a video game health bar. You only get so much energy to survive each month. If you use it up too quickly, you'll be stuck with nothing halfway through. Budgeting keeps you in the game longer and helps you unlock the next level of student life. Winging it with money just doesn't work. Without a plan, cash disappears faster than a box of pizza on game night. Suddenly you're broke, watching your friends go out, while you're stuck eating leftovers. A budget is like your map. It shows you where you're going and keeps you from getting lost. The secret to surviving dorm life is knowing the difference between needs and wants. Needs are like survival gear, ramen, rent, and laundry coins. Wants are the fun extras, concert tickets, late night boba runs, or the newest gaming headset. Knowing the difference helps you stay alive in the game without missing out on the fun zone. Budgeting isn't about cutting out all the fun, it's about balance. By setting limits, you make sure the essentials are covered while still saving space for adventure. Think of it like managing your power-ups in a game. You don't waste them all at once. Play it smart, and you'll make your dorm life legendary. Welcome to Budgeting Like a Bro, dorm room edition. Imagine your dorm life as a big adventure. You've got quests, challenges, and treasures to keep track of. And just like in any game, keeping score is key. If you don't know where your points or dollars are going, it's hard to win. First, let's talk about income. Your allowance, part-time job, or even scholarships are like the coins and gems you collect along the way. Each one matters because it builds your treasure chest. The bigger the treasure, the more quests you can complete without worry. Next, let's look at expenses. Dorm life comes with food, laundry, hangouts with friends, and supplies for class. Think of them like the obstacles or mini bosses you face in your adventure. You've got to keep an eye on them so they don't drain your energy or your wallet. Finally, to really see the big picture, try a pie chart. Imagine slicing up $100 into pieces. Food, laundry, fun, and supplies all get their share. It's like dividing a victory feast after a quest. Everyone gets their slice, but you decide how big each one should be. That way, you stay the master of your adventure. Welcome to your new adventure dorm life. Think of budgeting like packing for a big trip. You wouldn't leave home without your toothbrush, right? Same goes for money. Cover your basics first so you're never caught off guard. Food is your fuel, and you've got to make it last. Stock up on simple staples like noodles, rice, or snacks that keep you going between classes. And don't sleep on your meal plan. Learn the hacks, like saving swipes for when you're hungriest. Budgeting for food is really just budgeting for energy. Don't forget about personal care: soap, shampoo, toothpaste. Those things matter more than you think. And laundry. Yep, it sneaks up on you fast, and coins or laundry cards cost money. Set a little aside each week so you're never stuck wearing the same shirt twice. Future you will be grateful. Think of your budget like a backpack. Each pocket has a purpose. One for food, one for self-care, one for laundry, and so on. If you keep things organized, you'll always know what you've got and where it's going. That's the secret to surviving dorm life. Like a pro, college life doesn't have to drain your wallet. Think of it like building a playlist. You don't need every song in the world, just the ones that make you feel good. Fun doesn't mean expensive. It means choosing moments that matter. you can enjoy life without feeling broke at the end of the week. There are so many free events on campus: concerts, game nights, and club activities. These are chances to meet people, have fun, and not spend a single dollar. Imagine walking across campus at night, lights glowing, music playing, and the best part, it costs you nothing. That's the kind of fun that keeps your wallet safe. You don't always need to go out. Sometimes the best memories happen right in your dorm. Movie nights with roommates, board games, or just hanging out can be more fun than a pricey night out. It's about the people, not the price tag. The laughter and stories stay with you longer than the bill from a restaurant. The trick is setting a fun budget. Give yourself a set amount each week for hanging out, and stick to it. It makes you smarter with money while still enjoying life. Think of it as planning your own adventure, but with a map that keeps you on track. Saving money is like hiding snacks in your room. You might forget about them at first, but when you're starving late at night, you'll be so glad they're there. Think of savings as little treats for your future self. They're waiting for the moment you need them most. Start small. Even saving just $5 or $10 every week builds up faster than you think. It's like tossing coins into a jar, tiny drops that eventually fill the whole bucket. The trick is not how much, but how often. Life throws curveballs. Your laptop might crash right before finals, or your textbook suddenly cost more than your rent. That's where your savings step in, like a superhero coming to the rescue. It keeps you calm when chaos hits. So think of your savings as your secret weapon. It may look small now, but one day, it's the thing that saves the day. Future you will present you a big high five for starting early. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Welcome to Budgeting Like a Bro, Dorm Room Edition. Living with roommates is kind of like going on a wild adventure. You've got your own path, but you share the same map. And if you don't talk about money, someone's going to feel like they're carrying all the weight. Talking about money with roommates doesn't have to be awkward. Think of it like splitting a pizza. If you don't discuss who pays what, someone always feels cheated. A quick chat now saves you from that weird tension later. Honesty is like the extra cheese that makes everything better. Shared costs can sneak up on you: snacks, cleaning supplies, streaming accounts. Instead of silently keeping score, make a system that works for everyone. It's like building a team where everyone pulls their weight. When the rules are clear, nobody feels left out or taken advantage of. And don't fall into the trap of trying to keep up with everyone else in the dorm. Just because your neighbor buys fancy gadgets doesn't mean you need them to. Focus on what actually makes your shared space comfortable. At the end of the day, peace of mind is worth way more than bragging rights. Welcome to Budgeting Like a Bro, Dorm Room Edition. Think of this like cheat codes in your favorite video game. Small changes that make a massive difference. Instead of feeling stuck, you'll feel like you've unlocked extra freedom. Get ready for some budget hacks that'll level up your dorm life. First hack: meal prepping with dorm-friendly tools. A mini rice cooker, blender, or even just a microwave can save you big money and keep you full. Instead of takeout every day, you can whip up simple meals in minutes. That means more money in your pocket and less stress about food. Next hack: reusing and repurposing items. Old boxes can become storage bins, jars can hold pens, and secondhand finds can add character to your space. It's not just saving money, it makes your dorm feel more creative and personal. Every item tells a story and gives your room unique vibes. Last hack: small upgrades make a huge difference. A string of lights, a secondhand rug, or a DIY shelf can completely change the vibe of your dorm. It's like going from level 1 to boss mode without spending much. With these hacks, your dorm becomes a place you actually want to be. You learn how to track money, cover essentials, save smart, and still have fun. Budgeting doesn't mean no fun, it means more freedom and less stress. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your dorm mates. Drop your best dorm budgeting hacks in the comments. Let's build a community of smart money moves. This is Sam, wishing you good grades, great memories, and a wallet that survives the semester. Catch you in the next one. Sam the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here.